Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Gemini 3.1 Pro is not available on this version in Google Antigravity. First, check your internet connection, turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Make sure you are connected to a stable and fast network. You can also turn on airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it off again to refresh the connection. Next, restart your computer to clear temporary glitches. After that, open Settings on your PC. Then click on System from the left side. Here, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Then run the available troubleshoot options to detect and fix any system issues. Now, go back and click on Windows Update. Then click on Check for updates and install any pending updates to make sure your system is up to date. Next, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots from the top right corner and go to Settings. Now, click on Privacy and Security, then select Delete Browsing Data. Here, choose options like Browsing History, Cookies, and Cached Files. Then click on Delete Data to clear everything. After clearing the data, restart your browser and try using Google Antigravity again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.